Hey guys, it's Stephanie. Welcome back to my channel. A few months ago, I posted a tutorial on how to build your own privacy fence. I'll link that video in the description below. Today, I'm back outside and I'm adding a privacy screen for our garbage cans. I want to quick thank Wagner for sponsoring this video. I used the Wagner Flexio 3000 handheld sprayer to stain the privacy screen. It was so easy to use and such a time saver. I'll be sharing more about this sprayer later in the video. You can find the link for the Flexio 3000 in the description below. For the slats of the fence, I bought 10 1x6 by 10 foot common boards from Home Depot. We used the table saw to rip the boards in half. Now that the boards are ripped down to size, I cut all the lumber on my miter saw. I used 2x4s for the fence posts. My fence is 4 feet tall, so I cut all the 2x4s down to 4 feet. I have 6 2x4 fence posts. I made 3 sections for the privacy fence, 2 3.5 foot sections, and 1 3-foot section. I cut 12 boards at 3 feet and 24 boards at 3.5 feet for all of my horizontal slats. To assemble the fence, I'm using 1 1/4 inch exterior deck screws. First, I laid out all the boards evenly and marked a line at 1.5 inches on each end so I know where to line up my screws. I started at the top, making sure my board was flush with each of the 2x4s, and then I put 2 screws in each end. I'm using a 1.5 inch scrap piece of wood as my spacer, and then I just installed one board at a time, making sure my 2x4s are spaced evenly the whole way down. I ended up using 11 boards on each section instead of 12. Repeat these steps for each section. After your fence is assembled, you'll want to sand down any rough edges. Next, I'm securing the sections together with hinges. I used 4 4-inch hinges and installed them using the screws provided. Make sure your hinges open the right way. Here is the Wagner Flexio 3000 paint sprayer. It comes with the bigger eye spray nozzle for larger projects and the detail finish nozzle for smaller projects. The detail finish nozzle is ideal for detail projects and finer finishes. It's designed for spraying thinner materials like oil-based stains and paints. The detail finish nozzle leaves a smoother finish, so that's what I'm using here. For the privacy screen, I'm using the same semi-transparent waterproof stain and sealer in the color Cordovan brown. This color reminds me of chocolate. I love it. I poured the stain into the canister very poorly, and I'm about ready to start staining. Don't forget your protective equipment. I love the Flexio 3000 because it has the flexibility to spray indoors and outdoors with the power to spray unthinned paint and stains with full coverage. The X-Boost power dial has 9 settings for various coatings and precise control, and you can adjust the dial according to your project. I know paint sprayers can be a bit intimidating, so here are some simple steps on how to use it. When spraying, you want to position the spray gun 6 to 8 inches from the spray surface, depending on the spray pattern desired. Spray parallel to the surface with smooth passes at a consistent speed and overlap passes slightly to obtain the most consistent and professional finish possible. This staining process was so quick and easy. Before I can put the privacy screen in place, I'm pulling some weeds and cleaning up the area really nice. It was over 90 degrees the day I worked outside on the fence, if you can't tell by my sweat stains. Now it's time to set the screen in place. This is the perfect size screen in my opinion. It's light enough to where it's easy to move around, but it's heavy and sturdy enough to where it won't blow over. So that is all on how to DIY your own privacy screen. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thanks again to Wagner for sponsoring this video and for introducing me to the Flexio 3000. Go check out the Flexio 3000 paint sprayer, link in the description. I promise you won't be disappointed, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.